Hello everyone, it's Pamela here. Welcome to my channel. I've got another haul video, the first one of 2021. Undoubtedly won't be the last. I done quite a large order from the Mad Scrapper, a company based up in Scotland. I've got a lot of Finnabair's new products, paste and the new colours of waxes that are out. I've also got quite a few Lindys sprays, and I've also like restocked up on the Dusty Atiic chipboard and got a lot more new ones as well. There might be another few bits and pieces in there. I can't quite remember because I ordered like a week ago. In my excitement, I've just already split this box open. I haven't done the second one yet. But yeah, it's quite a large order, so it's in 2 boxes, but I'll try my best to get through it quickly. So yeah, let's get straight into it. And there's the order form. But this seems to be all of the Dusty Atiic projects that I ordered. This one here says art journal. As you will know if you follow my channel, I've really got into mixed media recently. And I've just started to really get into art journaling as well. And I'm hoping like maybe coming up soon, it might be something we can do together. Like an art journal page once a month, like maybe each month kind of have a theme and yeah, do an art journal page together. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you like the sound of that idea, if anyone art journals already and would like a video once a month where we could maybe do it together. Leave suggestions for what kind of video you'd like to see if we did, like what kind of theme. So yeah, also if you like seeing haul videos as I do, please give this video a like. As I said, feel free to leave me any comments, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for regular haul videos, also walkthroughs and tutorials. So yeah, let's get on with the video then. I'll try and make it as quick as possible. So I've kind of just restocked up on the Dusty Atiic chipboard, like the bubbles I've got already. I've also tried to get a few that are suitable for Valentine's and the projects that are coming up. And then a few others. So some of them I've got already. So if you saw my last Dusty Atiic haul, some of these will look familiar, but a lot of them, like I got this time quite a lot that have got the words on, so they can be used like as kind of focal points in projects, or as I said, like use them in the art journal as well. So yeah, this one says my heart is full. Even I was gonna say my heart will go on. Here we've got leaves number 3. They're really nice. We've got some vine frames. These are the heart attack panel. Got some really nice, as I said, I tried to get a lot of different heart kind of elements. These are lacy heart frames. Got another panel here. This one's Scroll Delight. Got these gorgeous birds on a branch as well. I think these, well, I mean, I think they'd make a nice element for any project, but yeah, maybe particularly in a art journal. The peaceful heart finds beauty in all things. We've got seagrass, a large scroll, so that'd be scroll number 2. Dream with your eyes wide open. I really like these ones with the words on, and I was really lacking them from like my collection already. Happiness comes from within, blooms from within even. She sees in black and white, thinks in grey, but loves in colour. She loves. Love, cherish, adore, happy, dream, believe. Oh, Winter Wonderland. That would have been really useful for the projects I'm doing at the moment. Might still be able to get that in somewhere now. Got these mini decorative scrolls. They're really nice. They'd maybe look nice with like some resin pieces on top or just flowers. If you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. Timeless journey. Treasure the little moments. This one's nice with the two loves. I think this one's, yeah, a bit larger. Sandy toes, sun-kissed nose. Love. So, yeah, a lot of them, I think I got a few that have kind of got summery elements. Salt in the air and sand in my hair. Mini scrolls. And this I just thought was gorgeous. This like mannequin. It's a wire dress form number 5. So they had a few different kind of designs in their dress form. And then yeah, fun in the sun, summer days. These are really nice because they can just like be used individually. These are just called wordplay number 7, and then we've got wordplay number 4. So these are love, you and me together forever. But yeah, I think these ones will really come in handy, like on the tag, or any project really, but especially the size of them is great for tags. So here's the one I haven't opened yet. I'm not sure if there's any more of the Dusty Atiic chipboards, but I do think there might be a few more. So we'll find out. Okay, so see what we've got. Okay, so yeah, we've got some of these Finnabair not metallics, mechanicals, but yeah, we've got art, journey, lucky. So I think I'm starting to maybe think ahead slightly, and the lucky could be used for something for St. Patrick's Day. I mean, spring will be coming up before we know it. Got some of the mechanical, the flowers. So I think that probably is everything from the Dusty Atiic. And then, yeah, we've got all the gorgeous, I mean, they're all wrapped, but all the new paste. So this one is the crushed ice effect. Can't wait to use that as well. But yeah, we can't really see any of it. I might maybe do like a little video where I just, I mean, I know there's some up already, like Finnabair's already put videos up that actually show. This is kind of open already, so look at that. And which one is this? A magic potion effect. And I think these are a lot like the unicorn effect paste, but I think the backgrounds are different colours. We've got some of these heart mechanicals there as well. So I don't know why, but these are all look like they've been slightly, oh my goodness, look at this. Really like mermaid colours. And that's Pixie Effect paste. I don't know how well it's showing up. Let's just see if we can get this one open as well then while we're at it. Oh, this is snowflake. No, not snowflake. Sorry, this is crushed ice. So, I mean, how well it's really going to show up, I'm not sure. Let's just cut into this. Oh, wow, how glittery is that? If the camera's actually picking it up. But yeah, that's the crushed ice one. And I think there are 2 more pastes. So weird that they're all kind of like ready to split open. Is this one Sphinx? I think my... Not Phoenix even, and it's like that reddish. I definitely want to swatch these like maybe on white gesso and black gesso to see how they come out. And then the last one of the pair. Okay, so this one is Mermaid. If we can get in here. Maybe cut this one again. And there's the Mermaid effect paste. So those are our pastes. Just get all this packaging out of the way. Oh, okay, yeah, there is some more dusty Atiic. So I think there must be 4 new colours. Memory is so bad. We can kind of see like these are the Art Alchemy waxes, or metallic wax, metallic, all metallic. We've got the burgundy, emerald, graphite, and then this one I'm really looking forward to using, the white pearl. So that should be able to highlight elements. I got an archival ink, particularly for use in the art journal, just as it would be waterproof. Then, okay, so this is the first time I'll be using any of the Lindys sprays, and I guess they're mica, so they just come in a powder form then, and we fill up with water. So I can't remember the colors. We have them. I know there was like cotton candy pink, so that's that one. Frozen Jack Frost. Azure Sky, Azure Sea Asters. And then Wild Honeysuckle Coral. So I got those loose ones. Like I kind of went for the sets that have like the selected colours in them, but then where I felt like maybe I was missing out on shades, I kind of got the loose ones as well. So I've got the Autumn Leaf selection and then Drop Dead Diva. And I think that's... Oops, sorry, I probably just shook the camera there. But I think that's a pretty good set to start with. I guess we'll see. These I can't remember. Oh right, yeah. Oh, these are so small, the bottles. But I got the I don't know what's going on with this packaging either. But, the Melange Art Pebbles anyway, and I think one is just a normal glass, and then one were the diamond ones. Oh, okay, wow. Ooh, guess these are the diamond ones. Wow, they're gonna be fun to play with as well. Oops, I've lost one already. Yeah, wow, look at them. Yeah, gorgeous. I don't know if I'll be able to open these like. And then these are just the Art Pebbles, standard like glass ones. And they're really nice as well. Whoops, and they're going to end up everywhere. Yeah, I think there's a few more, but we can find them after. Also, I got one of these. I did get one of these the last time, but I really like the little elements in here, and they were on sale, like literally 160, so I kind of just chucked another one in. Just one of, I think I meant to order more of these and forgot, but yeah, just a wooden window there. And then the rest, we've got a couple of the Dusty Atiic stencils. We've got the raindrop ones, and then the bubbles. And then the rest is more chipboard. So, let's see what we've got. These are swirly vines. If I maybe move this. So we've got swirly vines, foliage number 5, lavender. These are swirls number 3. And we've got My Happy Place. So this is really nice, pretty big as well. So I mean, that must be more than 6 inches. This one, I guess you can use the words individually, but masterpiece, create, inspire, artist. And then these discs, they're designer discs in, so that's the waves one. It's the cogs and the tree of life. Not just trees, but okay. This is scroll number 6, small. So yeah, that is just one piece. Delight in the little things. These are branches and mini foliage. These are so cute. Beach this way, paradise found, bare feet, salty hair. Can you guess? I'm like looking forward to summer. Hello summer. And then smiles, happy-go-lucky, and we laughed and laughed and laughed. So I think I've kind of stocked up enough on like the different words and what would you call them, like maybe sentiments or caption pieces. So yeah, if you are thinking of maybe getting some Dusty Atiic, that gives you a bit of an idea of the different pieces that are available. Yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of the art journaling idea. If anyone's maybe up for doing once a month, like doing a video, maybe like on the fast forward way. But yeah, maybe something we could do together. If you guys give a shout out for themes, maybe that would be great. But yeah, I think that's it for me for now. So until next time, getting all tongue tied, but until next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.